Downloading data from YouTube Music can help you access your favorite songs and playlists offline. Follow these steps to easily download your music data. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or go to the YouTube Music website on your browser. Step 2. Sign into your account. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube Music account. If you don't have an account, create one to access all features. Step 3. Navigate to your library. Click on the Library tab located at the bottom of the app or on the left side of the website. This section contains all your saved playlists, albums, and songs. Step 4. Select content to download. Browse through your library and select the songs, albums, or playlists you wish to download. Look for the download icon next to the content. Step 5. Download the selected content. Tap or click on the download icon. The content will begin downloading, and you can check the progress in the downloads section of the app. Now you can enjoy your downloaded music offline.